how to view a desktop version on your mobile phone just in one single click. Welcome to my channel. My name is K Mirembe, and if it's your very first time, you're most welcome. You're watching Atutaka Solutions, where we share everything with love regardless of who you are and where you're from. We share tips and ideas because we believe sharing is caring. Alright, so I'm going to illustrate this using two browsers, and that is Chrome and Safari. Okay, so I'm going to start with Safari browser, that's if you have one, and then you just go to that browser, and as you can see down here on the first of all, like you want to search maybe YouTube or something like that, and then you'd like to do something there while on the web version, so you don't have to worry that you don't have a computer. So you just go to here, whether it's AA, you click on that, and then they'll bring for you different options here. Then you check on request desktop version. Okay, and it's just a click away, as I promised you, and all of a sudden you just view whichever website that you've logged into on a computer or web version. Okay, yet it's on your phone. As you can see, if you logged into YouTube on the PC, it will show just exactly like this. Okay, same here. As you can see, I have home and everything, and just the same way it's on the PC. Okay, so this is Chrome. So you just want to go back and maybe search something, maybe here like YouTube. So you go down here, that little three dots below home. Okay, depending on your device, right? So your device might show these options up, my device shows them down. Okay, whichever way, from the three dots you click and you'll see that option that says request desktop site. Okay, just read and you'll see that option right there, and in one single click at the same time you're there viewing the desktop version or the website version on your mobile phone. Okay, on any browser it's just the same thing. You just look for where you can see the option of change to desktop version and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider to like this video and give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please, it's free. Click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you will know whenever a new video comes. God bless you. Shalom.